Yes. Ray for the music.
My heart is bleeding and will keep on bleeding until we meet again. No pain, no gain. They say, my heart is bleeding and will keep on bleeding until we meet again. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. I wish I could go with you. I wish I knew the way. Someone please take me there. Take me there. You taught me to be strong and bold. When I'm lost, you showed me the way to go. You protected me from evil thoughts, and those who wanted to eat my meat, you delivered me from their plans. Where else will I
me catch us and me call that Mr. Minute. Me see the me your man call. Me free has say a virus. Men call.
Macrachi. And I'm in poke at the normal farm. Macrachi. And I went to Nazi class watching. Time I started to say, walk around the car, but I'm still good round.
Okay. It's all good. Meko. Why?
Bye bye.
That's it. Meko. Meko.
Do I look like I care? Or do I look like I give an F? A relationship with man, I say, we see I did not have money. Pick my phone, take number from it, now we'll free Ubi. In the name of my boyfriend. What do you mean?
Ever since you went away, I've got nothing to say, 'cause you took my breath away. Ever since you went away, I've got nothing to say, 'cause you took my breath away.
The phone, right? Huh? The phone, right? What's the phone? Just what else was I doing? Phone, I don't know phone. Jim. Then.
Only my dear, we your phone is 20 now. We react to sound. Only my dear, we your phone is
The phone, your phone.
'Cause you took my breath away. I grew weaker every day in your heart. I used to stay, now I got no place to lay. 'Cause my world has been flushed away. I never thought I would see today, but here I am, alive and awake. 'Cause my world has been turned as if I've fallen in the lake. Your love was real, natural, not fake. Now you are gone and will not come back again. I can't hug you anymore. I can't touch you anymore. Nor a handshake. My feet tremble down and my heart aches. So I wanna know what's at stake. Can someone please tell me what's straight? If it's my life, then God, please take.
One Kwame Beats. Yes.
Virus.
Yeah.
Apathy.
Yeah.
When you go on a solve emotion.
Some of the catch was a cool feel like I was in the catch in too. What's your problem now?
My problem is, me pay any less girl. Be so bad at disrespecting me. What I say? You and I is not something serious. We are having fun. We are not doing friends with benefits. After all, Michelle didn't mean you free or nothing. It's just fun. You are fun to be with. It's not that they are like my present ever on chain. One, me and be in free relationship. Me and them in my relationship. What has I'm grown now. Nti se me nya bibia mfu na me ame ton makono de ama na se me ton me body ama wo free a I don't expect you say obema wo girl na ba disrespect me bi wo e no so ko nya hu se me na me behind all of this so nya hu se me na me di wachi a it's going to be a war nti one man up no one hu de wo je no one can sanch again and answer one man phone no and pay one side be answer na so na me chat na so frame no when delete here me pay crisis my catch say yes my catch say me nam honum na ameti honum won say me dey adamfo bi kwa be chiawda I work alone because if you are saying dark on your phone na me say na me so bi di be me nti na me pay na for some I do stuff on my own. You're very resilient.
I get you, but I think say 170 man on shit. And I like said me din kaka na me twa tuli. There was some catching me makadi achiro. And the kind of one na me dia man no maybe sure say me get this at my phone. Yeah, and before God and man like I appreciate whatever. You're too nice. And make us say me wa chanya comfortability to say hi. You are indeed a sweet person. That last time I catch you says only make us off phone so crana. You be like your voice on phone crana. It mean na come until like when you're ordinary person. Until they I'm sorry about everything. You don't deserve what she did to you.
Because when you say I dare and fan for so many may no many problem they make cut me off.
You say
I didn't emphasize so dear na wo to what dear na dear me. Dear na
no who knew what will even happen between me even tomorrow. It is you cast and batch never be one more cut in a crack.
There be okay fine me cut the bank account me who dey imagine me GB
say unnim dear me so na wo meeting in yadia no.
Dear na be nyama me atopa na be nyama me na dey. Do you think say me nya bi wa bonten na? And answer me part to probo I mean to me call boys be on and answer me call me Snapchat and say yo do you want to have sex do you want to fuck I'm available come me dey ade be chill free fine you na request me na me ye ba me dey me ho a che on interest say obema ogi about disrespect me enti o phone na o say like o hwe so ye
me kwa me na kasa she will not even get closer to it again timisro ye ma we e phone na odo yen for odo mo do
there be me dey me fa odo mbe for le mame e ya grow na ye di I don't want you to fall in love with me. Come in here ready.
I say you ni ago.
Ene de uni ago. Sorry ko.
Excellent ties no. Good year ties.
The one be bia o pa ka hanku. Nya. De sorry ko. Me di bia yi ni bebo wo.
Me can some one say.
Me se wo de ko ene mi ni mood ni ko.
Oh yeah, why you serious? Why you serious how much? O to apai. Me.
Me to apai.
Me.
Me nyin chira wo.
She wo to na me.
Me fe cho. Me fe beto say sorry ko.
Odontia too many man.
Odontia.
Sorry
ko, o de sorry ko. Me here in space. Ana de me ma me fe to na apai ni ncho kotokofo abapa so. O kotokofo abapa ke. E de na pesa wo hwe. Na so de ko. Ichina no aba. Ichina ebetwa no aba. Because I didn't get on here, me you'll be a man fast and munchi. Into ye, my dear, made that one margin one, me pay coin this one, Miss Mefaswa, may pay back. Oh, the one your cram, I can't cook catcher because me and them who buy. Ain't sorry in a call.
Let me do feel why. Me packing on the floor.
Tom and Jerry, TV soon near you. Uncle Fat Tom and Jerry top her baby shares ye near grown and wine in Yago.
Hello.
Hello, Dad. Dad.
I feel I'm so catching. How are you?
The mail do.
No. You see whom framing us here? Huh?
Dad, me okay.
Are they? Where are they?
My name boy and the problem will come by in them. I said that Tiana say uti. Or the phone to Honum na me coffee. To me coffee na send a buffooye. Na me sister me no my free Honum na me coy. I send a buffoo me. Me ye aduane a wondi. Ye me ni bia enya ne fe. Nti ase na mani nka wo ho na me sister me nyoma ebe fie. Ba me bury na me hu sa ase manu me hu da. Ka me pese nka wo frɛ no na nka wo ne nkasa. Say bi nsi bi me mfa ne phone bi.
Afia mi bisa wa hwemo. O boy no abe ho ade ana.
Da
Abe ho ade ama odi ana. Uno boy, uno so do wati. Abe ho ade ama wan. Ah? Wa abe ho ade ama no.
No, cause sir.
That's about it, no.
Da. Shatan did you mean? Examine me boy never and go says a move finish.
The number you have dialed cannot be. The NPN number you have dialed cannot be reached at this moment.
Charlie, now half hour on a chicken. So I say, Mobeka said, me, sorry, no, so after me.
Yeah, I'm not even like a star. Oh, yeah, somebody a million. And like a star, the location, man.
Location for the
What's that?
location for the what's the location for the
Maybe out no location, maybe out Nama.
I also about me fee.
How about fee straight out?
I know who diagram I say, will be a man in your club about me fee.
Whatever, dear, no. So,
Auntie, okay, that's all about fear. My mamma for back, mamma for back. You be knocking me, mamma for back. Yeah.
I'm sorry for everything. Okay. I'm very, very sorry. No me expect so can say over stop me. Ma make a sure say me come. But you didn't even say anything to me. So that means say you don't like me and I said that. It's about my relationship I have built for so many years now. Nah, I say just like that. Because of one issue. First, please. I beg you in the name of God, please. Beg you in the name of God. Don't do this to me.
No, because of one issue now, what do you mean by one issue? Nice idea now, you know, because I wouldn't name you. What do you mean by one issue? That's how one issue wouldn't matter with my cost. How can I say just one issue?
Yes, I'm sorry. Please. Enough of me know about the calling back and forth. And fashion. And brave me no me. Please. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I beg you. First, I didn't put a pan on my one. And that's to show why you can't. Maybe I cry. One person over her many. First. I'm sure you were.
I'm saying okay. Also.
First. Me know me one coming my fiancé.
I'm saying okay.
Okay. So that means I get chummy.
Okay, my also.
It means sorry.
See me, okay.
Jamin, I mean sorry. Hey! Benjamin, I mean sorry. Okay, fine. Pajama and say before that's all the same. Virus. You know I can't live without you. Please. Okay, fine. Maybe our phone bill. It's a promise. Okay. Hey, this is my phone bill. Virus. Hey. Sir, I can't remember me. Hey. Okay, fine. I'm not going to say. Bye. Now the chocolates can have a friend. So let's say my favorite. Huh?
Yeah.
Baby, come on. Are you still mad at me? Huh?
I'm okay.
You're okay.
What's the name?
Where was Shaman? Hey.
Hey! Open the pen.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
So I pray. I pray.
Sorry. No, oh, kafa. It's a one. Hey. Into me, word, man. Kagumasu.
They're not okay. I'm about seriously. Sad and see before God. And you can say, no. Listen to me. Sad and see you. And you can say, man, repeating. It's not nice because
hey, you may watch the bones and affair.
I'm not going to